This is a Natural Talk Safaris audio series. This article will look briefly at the African hunting dog, found only in Africa. The African wild dog, Lycaon pictus, is a medium-sized canid found only in Africa, especially in savannas and the other lightly wooded areas. It is also called the painted dog, painted hunting dog, African hunting dog, the Cape hunting dog, the spotted dog, the Ornate Wolf, or the painted wolf in English, Wildehond in Afrikaans, and Mbwa mwitu in Swahili. It is the only species in the genus Lycaon, with one species, sekowei, be extinct. These long-legged canines have 4 toes per foot, unlike other dogs which have 5 toes on their forefeet. The dog's Latin name means painted wolf, referring to the animal's irregular mottled coat, which features patches of red, brown, black, white, and yellow fur. Each animal has its own unique coat pattern and all have big rounded ears. They live in packs that are usually dominated by a monogamous breeding pair. The female has a litter of 2 to 20 pups, which are cared for by the entire pack. These dogs are very special, and their packs have been known to share food and to assist weak or ill members. Social interactions are common, and the dogs communicate by touch, actions, and vocalizations. Adults typically weigh 17 to 36 kilograms, and that is 37 to 79 pounds, but those in southern Africa are generally larger than those in eastern and western Africa. The population has declined drastically to the point of near extinction, but the dog reproduces at any time of year, although mating peaks between March and June during the second half of the rainy season is common. Litters can contain 2 to 19 pups, though 10 is the most usual number. The time between birth is usually 12 to 14 months, though it can also be as short as 6 months if all of the previous young die. It is hard to locate the pups as they are usually born in an abandoned den dug by other animals such as those of the adult. And interestingly, they hunt in formidable cooperative packs of 6 to 20, or sometimes more. Larger packs were more common before the dogs became endangered. Packs hunt antelopes and will also tackle much larger prey such as wildebeest, particularly if their quarry is ill or injured. The dogs supplement their diet with rodents and birds. As human settlements expand, the dogs have sometimes developed a taste for livestock, though significant damage is rare. Unfortunately, they are often hunted and killed by farmers who fear for their domestic animals. African hunting dogs are now endangered. They are faced with shrinking room to roam in the African home and are also quite susceptible to diseases spread by domestic